At Fundability, we help entrepreneurs get money to grow. We do it through our unique Fundability system that helps you exponentially increase your chances of getting approved for business funding while helping you access business credit and financing to grow your business. The Fundability system integrates with the secret business credit reports lenders use to identify factors that will get you denied. You can access your Fundability score, find the issues that will prevent you from getting approved, and make simple changes to qualify for more credit and financing. Through the Business Credit Builder, you can easily build your business credit step by step, and you can get access to high-limit credit cards with almost all major retailers, fleet credit, auto financing, even universal credit you can use anywhere. Most of this credit you can secure even if you can't qualify for other types of funding. Through the Funding Explorer feature, you get access to almost every type of legitimate business funding option that exists to get more approvals and higher approval amounts. Easily identify financing you can get now and see what small changes you can make to unlock even more financing options. We even supply you with business credit coaches and finance strategists who are dedicated to helping you get the most money at the best terms. Get access to all the cutting-edge features and the Fundability system today for the easiest and fastest way to get money to start and grow your business.